This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates, specifically these plastic seashell plates, which make a perfect petite option whether you're doing, say, a seafood heavy event and are looking for something fun and that special touch to pass apps. These are a great one. Or even if you're just looking for something to provide that extra special touch for, say, a mermaid themed birthday party. They come in 3 colors. We have the sea green, which you can see is clear, white, and also black. And they measure about 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches, and they have about a 1/2 inch of depth on them. So you can see they're a little bit bowl shaped, so just like a nice little seashell. And they're great for enhancing the presentation of seafoods for apps, or say for single portions if you're going to do a tasting menu. And you can just picture a nice little shrimp with some cocktail sauce curled up in here, scallop, a little bit of ceviche, a crab cake, or even portions of condiments like cocktail sauce if you're looking for something cute to put those in to go alongside a seafood dish on a plate. These are a nice option for that as well. They're made from a nice, durable, high-quality plastic, and they're reusable and recyclable, making them a great option for your next catered event if you're going to be doing some seafood, or just something whimsical to add a finishing touch to maybe some little individual desserts for a mermaid birthday party.